How to add a page in Google Docs. Now this is the document from before that I was using the entire time. Here we have the previous lessons, the subchapters and the page numbers. Now if you want to add a page, you can just select the area where you want the page to begin. For example, I want another page that's gonna continue from the last page. I'll select the end of it, click on Insert, Break, and then Page Break. As you can see, this will add another page, page 5 out of 4, because we added out of 4. As you can see, if we go on Insert and Break, there's a shortcut, CTRL and Enter. So if we click CTRL and Enter at the same time, it'll add a page. So okay, I don't need those, I'm gonna delete them. So here we added a page at the end. You can also add a page somewhere in the middle. For example, I can select this area, CTRL plus Enter, and it'll just separate this area from this area. If we want to add another page in between those, we can just So as you can see on the page that I've added, I can basically type in anything. So yeah, that's how you add pages in Google Docs.